Creative Writing Podcast. No!
Hey everybody, it's me, your boy, Junky Turd Man. And here I am today. Flip on a few more lights here. I'm here today. Since nobody wants to see me take off my clothes, I'm going to instead take this beautiful drill out of its box. This is a Harbor Freight special that somebody gifted me for helping them put together some fencing and do some welding. 20 volt Hypermax lithium high performance motor. I've cut the box, but I haven't taken it out yet. It says it's got all metal gear construction and compact lightweight design. This is a new brand at Harbor Freight, and here's a serial number in 1981 for all you vintage freaks that love vintage stuff. That's the year this drill was made. Just kidding. Back when you used to have to hand crank them. It's got 1.5 amp hour. That's probably more than my car has. Comes with a charger and this cool carrying case. Includes is French for also in the box. So we're going to open up this drill driver kit and take a peek. I'll try to keep it in this light since I happen to be blocking the other light behind me. All right, let's see what this thing looks like. Cool, it's got a little handy carrying case. Nice bright red bag. This feels like sturdy construction. It's got a little loose string here, nothing big. To me anyway, I don't care about that crap. But I know some people will be like, oh, all right. The thing's not even... This feels like good backpack decal plastic or neoprene rubber, whatever it is. It's just red on the other side. It's got this zip top zipper, and I'd say this weighs about 5 2/3 pounds, or 1 stone if you're in UK. Ooh, it's got one zipper that zips around the top, not a dual pull back, and not a Velcro or anything like that. Just one zipper, and here you go. Ooh, if you're the type of person that loves organization, you might want to leave these dividers in here. Let's see. First of all, we got the Bayouer. So the Bayouer owner manual safety instructions. First thing you can do if you're an American man is throw those away. What's this? Would you look at that? It has got a pair of nail clippers in here. Perfect. So I guess if you're going to read the instructions, you'll find out what that is. Otherwise, you can throw it away. And here is a box of, oh, looky, a little driver set. So it already comes with a weird flathead and a weird Phillips that have these weird little, here, let's get a better look at these things. Let's get them under the light here. Take a peek at these babies. So they look like banisters from a staircase. And what you can do is you can go ahead and over torque these, and snap them right off. Snap, snap, snap. Now this is my high E and G string thumb when I play guitar. So I got this long thumbnail there. And I can already tell you that these are, yeah, I think that those are machined like that. Oops, let's get focus here. I think they're machined like that so they snap off when you try to use them and over torque something. So that's cool. Oh yeah, right here it says they're rated to 2 foot-pounds. So if you try to over torque something past 2 foot-pounds, guess what? Snappity snap's gonna break off. So there you go. Awesome. Well, you have one piece that no one's going to know what to do because they don't read the owner manual, and a couple bits to go in there, and they are hex head bits. So I'm interested to see what this drill has. Let me reach in here. All right, nothing else down here but paper cuts and death for your fingers. In this center pouch here is the old drill rapid charger, and if I know my boxes right, this cord here, ooh, taking a little magic ride. This cord here goes to this charger here, so they're going to have to come out at the same time. All right, let's see. And then there's just beautiful, beautiful darkness. If you see a pair of red eyes show up in there, you're watching the right shows, my friend. All right, yeah, so this box is solid at the end. Comes with the cord and the old charger in it down here. So you're gonna have to disassemble them individually. Pull them all out. Voila. Or voila, as some people like to say. Alrighty, well I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in because I doubt that this thing comes charged and ready to go. Let's get this in the light and look at some of the Are there any defects? There's a little bit of factory dust on there, and I can tell you Bauer, probably not made in Germany. China. Ooh, and you can only be in either 50 degree or 104 degree Fahrenheit weather. So right here in California today, it was just over that. So in this garage, it was probably way hotter than that. So actually, I don't know if that's going to affect the performance trying to charge this battery. And I'm not even joking now. Who knew? Anyway, let's put this box back the way we found it. Just so in case we need to return it or reverse engineer some packing, we know how to do it. All right, handy little thing. Looks good on the shelf if you want to trick your friends and think you got a bunch of important stuff. Go ahead and set this on your shelf. All right, next bit of business. Let's get back here in this box. Here's the actual drill body. Let's get this baby out of here and look down in the box. Ooh, there is a divider. Can I get this any further under the light? No. I might have to get my little flashlight. Hang on one sec. Did anything appear while I was gone in this box? All right, here we go. So down in there, you can see there's a little divider. So they do divide it somewhat like it comes. So that's for your charger and the cord. This little pocket's for your drill. And this is for the miscellaneous bits over here. Let's see what comes in it. Let me get the rest of these boxes out. So there you go. There's your pouch. Looks like it could probably hold 2 bottles of beer and 4 cans over here. So you could hold a 6-pack, but not a whole 6, or 1, 2, 3 bottles. 1, 3. These bottles are going to clank around together. I'll put your cans here and your bottles here. I don't know. But anyway, throw some ice in here. Let me feel this. Definitely probably thin ABS plastic, or like, I wouldn't say that's cardboard inside there, but would not make a good wet bag, that's for sure. So let's see what else. Oh my God, I'm shining the light in my own face. I can't see anymore. I'm blinded. All right, let's get this bag out of the way and get back to the product at hand here. So here's the drill. Bag, you're blocking our light. We're going to put you back in the box. Get you over here. Now what's left in here? Because this feels heavy still. So I'm guessing this has to be the battery, because this box is empty. As you can see, nothing up my sleeve, nothing in my box. But this box has something. It is a spare battery. All right, let me fold this back up so I can David Copperfield my friends later. Pull a rabbit out of that. All right, here we go. This is the glory. This is where it's all at. That other charger thing I had, who gives a rat's? Here's the actual battery. Warning, do not remove. So whatever you do, once you put this in the drill, don't take it out. I guess you have to charge the drill on here somehow. And that's the winningest part of all this, is you got to figure out how to do it. So yeah, this drill, I think before I said, I think the package probably weighed about 5 pounds and 2/3 of a pound on top of that. I'm going to go back on that now. I'm going to say this drill itself feels like it weighs the better part of 5 pounds. And let me put it on this weight right here on the scale. Yep. This weighs just under 5 pounds. So maybe this whole thing together, let me hold it in different hands to make sure. Yep. I'm going to say that weighs 6 pounds. Let's see if this baby comes charged. Obviously, since I'm American, I don't read the instructions. And holy shit. Do you seeing this? God, is this catching how fast that's going? That is amazing. So here you go. It's not like a hex head, one of those quick release kind. This is the 3, what do they call it? Like the I like to call it the octopus mouth or the parrotfish. It's the kind that squeezes everything together. But look, up close, it do have little... Here, I'm going to quit moving this around. I'll just get you a better light. Come here, better light. So right here we can see that it do have little like notches and teeth in there. I don't know how well that's picking that up, but actually it's not hardly at all. Very hard to get in there, but here, let me put the light right on it. Can you see it now? Yeah, that's much better. Now you can really see those teeth, and they're good once I hold the light right on it. All right. Anyway, yeah, it's got little chewies in there, so you can put a drill bit in there, put your prolapsed anus in there, whatever you want to put in there, it'll squeeze it tight. And look at that. Oops. Got to remember I'm filming everything in reverse. Oh, geez. This thing's great. Looky. So it'll probably hold little tiny drill bits if you got them. I love the speed. Here's the setting on 1 all the way to 5. Crank it up to 21 or go to straight danger zone. The one with the picture of the butt plug on there is probably really not kidding. Yeah, I could tell this thing got some torque. This is the oh yeah, it stinks. I think it's gonna catch on fire already, and I haven't even drilled anything yet. Boy, that is danger zone. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. All right, so that is power 1. Holy crap. Power 2 is so fast that, as you can see, it's spinning itself out of orbit. Whoa, this thing is crazy. Yeah. Number 2 is so fast that it screws itself back in. That is insane. And what is the maximum size drill you can put in here? Who cares? You're really just going to be throwing this at someone later when they're like, you bought a Harbor Freight drill? So anyway, I don't know the cost. Like I said, I got it as a gift, but this thing does feel pretty OP. Look, here's a battery life checker right here. This tells me it's got 2, and as you can hear, whenever I push this, it sounds like a helicopter's flying overhead, so that's kind of weird. To get this thing out, I don't know how I do it. I didn't read the instructions. Oh, and look at that. It's got a little light that comes on when you drill. Most drills have like some cheesy thing built in up here that's really clunky, and you can't get it down into a tight space like this to work it and drill because you got that light there, and it's like, stop, sorry, you can't get in this hole. This one, look, whoop, you can stick it right in there, and look, it's not going to move. I know it's my hand, but if you're drilling something that looks like this, it'll work too. And your light source is coming from right here. Yes, and that's pretty bright too. Looks like a vacuum cleaner. Anyway, all right. That's my review so far of the Bauer 20-volt lithium-ion. Whoa, how's it working without the battery? Anyway, I'm going to charge this baby up. Is it hot or anything? Nope, it's not hot. And I don't know. I think I just voided my warranty because it says do not remove, and I just removed it. So we'll see. Maybe that black helicopter was flying overhead, and they're going to come take me out or something like that. But, yeah. Warning, if you are a man in black, you like good music, or you're literate, we're coming for you. You can't read that. It's really small, but that's what it says. All right, everybody. That's my Bauer drill unboxing and review. Not a review. I haven't even used it yet. Look at this baby. Look, when I put the light on it, you can really see it good. All right. Thanks, everybody. Next time, we'll unbox this Fram air filter. And after that, we're going to be unboxing this roll of paper. All right. See you next time.